Tidwell Realty presents 1433 Spyglass Hill Rd in Hempfield, TWP. To view this lovely home, call the Tidwell team at 724-832-1100. The formal living room is to the right as soon as you enter the home. The spacious formal dining room is to the left of the entrance. The eat-in kitchen provides ample counter and cabinet space for all of your cooking and storage needs. Here is another view of this lovely eat-in kitchen. The family room is right off of the kitchen and is just one of many places to entertain family and friends.